What if you could give one AI tool a simple task and let it help you to complete it? This is iMini AI agent. Using different tools for different tasks, you can simply tell the agent what you want to do and let it help you with process. So you can use it to generate ideas, plan your content, improve your writing, and work on different projects. And if you don't know where to start, the inspiration section gives you the ideas and examples to explore. So in this video, I will show you how the mini AI agent works, how to start a task, and how to use the available skills and how a simple prompt can turn into a useful final result. So let's dive in. First of all, guys, here is our main dashboard of iMini. So, guys, first of all, you can check it out. This is the dashboard where you can also explore a lot of things about this platform. That how you can use some topic examples are also available there. And after that, here's the skills section. In the skills section, guys, you can also check out this all the skills. If you want to add your own skills, you can also do the same thing right there. And after that, if you don't know where you want to start, if you don't know how to start, then the inspiration section is best thing for you. You can also pick any inspiration you want to do and use into your own style. And you can also select picture above and style. You can also create a same style creation instantly and within just few seconds. Use anything and create your own image within few seconds. And all of things are also here like photography design, 3D product, logo, wallpaper, word cup, and other type of the things. So guys, let's get started. Here's our main thing, and let me show you some amazing type of the skills of iMini. So first of all, guys, I'm going to start with the content creator. I just want from iMini to create a best content for my like the social media platforms, and let me show you how the things actually works. And here's everything in front of I have in my task, and you can check it out. Like the agent we have used GPT 5.6 Luna is running in front of you. And look at that, how it's going over there. Like they are also in a strong five ideas, also here the best choice, what you want to create. Everything is available in front of you guys. And guys, look at that. I just gave a task, and this is what they have created in a simple plan. They also have done everything. This is a simple plan which we it was chosen by the iMini, basically their agent, and a call to action. Everything is here in front of you. This is what we have generated literally in just few seconds. It only takes few seconds to do this. And guys, you also have an option if you want to change something, like you want to change a little bit things over there in your plan. Here is skills section are also available there, so you can also select the skills over there like hook analyzer, narrative template extractor, emotion trigger analysis. You can also select one of them, and you can also select the model over there. All over models are also available in front of you. You can also select one of them and click on the generate option. And let's look at that. This is what we have generated just using a simple task. And now I just started from a blank page, and now I have a complete content idea. So I can use it out and create a new way of the AI. And guys, after that, I'm going with the design and the views. In the design and views, I'm going to give this task for three thumbnail concept and view ideas for my videos. And let me show you the final results. And look at that. This guys, here is everything in front of you. We have generated just like some type of the thumbnails designs, which is also in front of you by using iMini. And guys, I'm going to now humanize writing. And here I'm going to give my task over there, which also in front of you. And let me show you how iMini work in this. And guys, look at that. In just few seconds, we have generated our work by using iMini. That is also an insane thing about this platform. And after that, here is slide deck, guys. You can also make the slides over there. And let me show you how you can do that. So guys, you can check it out. I am going to give a complete things over there, and let me show you how the iMini create the best slides for us. And guys, look at that. This is what we have generated by using iMini. And you can check this is the slide where on the sixth slide, basically we have generated on by using iMini. And look at that. How cool is that? Just giving a prompt in just few seconds, waiting for a few seconds, our slides are ready. That's what iMini is doing right now. And guys, now I'm using the video creation skills, and let me show you how everything works basically. And here's everything in front of you. And let me show you the final results. And before that, you can now check out how GPT 5.5 is running right now. So guys, you can check it out. Video are generated and let me show you the final results.
With the plan in place, recording feels focused instead of chaotic. AI can speed up editing decisions, sharpen the title, and prepare a stronger thumbnail. From blank page to published video, AI becomes the creative co-pilot. Every great video starts with a clear plan. AI helps shape the hook, structure the story, and organize the shots. Now the creator can move from planning to production faster.
So guys, basically, iMini is doing so much crazy job over there. If you are still interested in this type of the platforms, all our links are in the description. So don't forget to check them out and don't forget to explore iMini. Thank you.